Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we'll talk about Amazon, how to add the product listing in either FBA or FBM. So from Amazon Seller Center, make sure to select the correct market, either UAE, USA, Saudi, or whatever. Mainly we are talking about Amazon UAE. From a drop-down list, select product inventory. What you will see it here, all the inventory what we have for our store. From right top, press add product button. So next step, it will show a wizard to add the product. Once you add the product title in Arabic and English, which you already listed in our product file, it will show automatically similar product down. I'm not recommending to select similar product down. I know it will be easy to copy and paste, but it will be a big trouble for us in the future. If that seller change anything, it will reflect automatically. Also another thing, it will need pre-approval from the seller, and maybe he will take some percentage of the profit. In addition to that, there is a lot of negative consequences, so I am not recommending that way. From the product wizard list, just put the title we already prepared from the product file. The title should be in Arabic and English, and it will show automatically some similar product. Believe me, no need to select it. I will discuss later the consequences, negative consequences to select this issue. Just start from scratch, from the top. Below the title, there is an option to list a new product. That is down with the blue link. Create a new, put the full title in Arabic and English. Then, as I told you, Amazon only accepting main image with white background, no text, no anything. So you have to go and select the white background from your file. Now it is time to put the brand name and serial number for the product, but don't care about this issue. Just put it. This product doesn't have brand name and doesn't have ID, because the problem, if you put a brand name, it will check with the original brand name and will take approval from them. It is so complicated, so don't put yourself in and enter yourself in this issue. Just put it generic and khalas, that's it. Later on we'll talk about this one once we register our brand and we can put our brand name. Okay, now it is time to add description, other details. As showing in the top, it is red color. We have to fill it all in order to complete the list. Now it is time to utilize the product file we already prepared. So go to the Word file, copy paste each paragraph in the description and key bullets. So each paragraph in one slot. If you put it all, it will mix up and it will not showing nicely. Initially I do that, but after that I realized that it should be each paragraph in one slot. Next step is to upload photo. The first main photo should be white background, no text, no logo, no anything. The other photo, it's okay, you can put whatever you want. So minimum 4 photos per product. Don't put only one photo. Nobody can buy item with one photo. Next, to put the model number, usually try to put NA neglectable, or if it is insisting, just put the title name exactly the same, brand name, write our company name. And other, if there is a star, a red star, it is mandatory, you have to put it. Fill it. Otherwise, leave it blank. Now try to fill other product detail. As we mentioned, the product model with the same title name. Number of item, that means how many item included inside the box. So usually one. Try to fill the other detail which have star. Usually we prepare like for example, this project doesn't have a screen and it is mentioned screen size, so put it neglectable and try as much as possible to fill all project from the project box and the project file we already prepared later. Try to be more precise because otherwise customer will get confused, and if the customer get confused, they will not buy the item. They have to make sure that about project specification, everything, so to make the decision. I know sometimes Amazon is confusing. Like for our car accessory, it's mentioned the plug size and the electricity for the product. Like for example, it's mentioned 22 volt, 110 volt only. But the car accessories, as you know, it is about 12 volt only. So there is no option on that one. In this way, mention no black or NA, and we can put it in the description. Included component, that means what is inside the box. So we have to mention what is inside the box, like instruction, accessories, cable, whatever, all components. نكمل. Oh, we have to complete other details. As I mentioned, where it is red marking, otherwise don't care. This is about the product dimension, packaging dimension, all this stuff. Really, it will be helpful, and you can depend on the file we already put it before, having all the information. As you can see now, the red marking from product detail already disappeared. That means already accepted, all detail completed. Now let we go to the offer. Offer mean to put the quantity of product, how many item we have from that product. Like for example, we have this dash cam. I have about one piece, so we can put one piece, and this is the difference. Now here is the difference between Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM. If you saw the last option, fulfillment checkout, if we select the first one, that means the customer, the seller, he will fulfill the item and give it to Amazon only for delivery. Second option, that means we will send the item to Amazon store, and if there is any order, Amazon will take direct the product and deliver it to the customer. And also, of course, there will be storage charge in this way. Also, additional to the storage and fee, there is other precaution like safety precaution, fire hazard. There is a lot of complicated issue. So I don't prefer this way. Already I tried. Now I do FBM. That means I store the item in my house or my store, and I'm doing the Amazon will do only delivering service. Also, you have to put the weight dimension, and if there is any red marking showing, that means you have to fill this step as it is mandatory. Next, you have to fill the country of manufacturing. Also warranty, as it is mandatory by Amazon, we have to provide at least 1 year
في
warranty.
warranty ضمان، هل يتضمن بطارية ولا؟ وهذه أكبر مشكلة في أمازون.
Also, if there is any
إذا كان يتضمن
precaution
بطارية
or safety issue, usually write
معناته مشكلة كبيرة، لازم
unapplicable
تجيب لهم شهادات
unless if it is containing
نخاف من مشكلة
battery, liquid,
الشواحن
or something
والبطارية.
like that. The main thing you have to take care of when selling in Amazon:
نوع
liquid,
البطارية،
chemical,
نوع
and
الفاتورة،
batteries.
الحجم، فبنعبي المعلومات هذه
Now we fill everything. There is no red marking. That means our product ready to be listed. Just confirm and press the submit button. After you submit it, it will show you two options: either to copy the existing list or to exit. To submit the same, if you have the similar product only minor change, maybe you can make copy. Otherwise, if you return back to the inventory list, try to don't do anything for at least 15 minutes. Otherwise, all your job will be disappear. This is like a trick. So wait for about 15 minutes before you enter a new product. Until now, we show the combination of FBA and FBM. If you want to do FBA, which to store the product inside the Amazon store, there is additional step, which I will mention it in separate video. Another thing is to highlight it is to calculate the fees for Amazon. What is mentioned here, it is an estimation, and there is also warning down your line. This is an estimation fee.
البيع سعر البيع 100 درهم.
According to my experience, usually Amazon take about 2 to 5 dirham as a fee for listing each
أول شيء
product,
أمازون فيه 7 درهم
and approximately between 18 to 30 dirham for a small product for fulfillment.
cost.
In summary,
يعني
Amazon taking about 20 to 30 dirham or 35 dirham for each product. You have to list it and fulfillment. So, to be honest, it is not worth it to list a small product like for 10 or 5 dirham, because the charge will be about 25 dirham. So in this case, definitely you have to raise the prices, and once you raise your prices, nobody will buy it. The trick, you have to combine products or to sell multiple products together with one, as a bundle at one time to reduce the fees.